to pair it down here because there is something that's in our glass of pot that is wrong. No, stay back. There.
This is Nathan cleaning out the fridge.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
That's from your roast. Should we take a picture of it and send it to Grandma Linda?
Take a picture of it with me puking. Get out of here! Get!
Put your face in your shirt.
I can't. Let's dump it. I can't put it in the fuck. I'm gonna have to run out of the garbage bin.
And do what?
Dump it right in the bin. Actually, here, hold on a second. I don't know why you don't do this while I'm at work.
Because you told me you were going to eat that.
Yeah, but...
So whatever is not eaten...
You can maintain your fridge. 90% of the stuff that sits in there is what you cook.
Yeah, for you.
No, it's not, actually.
Actually, that is. I cooked you that roast.
Doesn't mean it has to sit in there for 2 months.
Well, when you say you're going to eat it, then eat it.
Well, you know it's bad. You don't have to wait for me to have to do it. The amount of stuff I do for you. Get out of there! Fuck! Thank you. Fuck, sucker! Fuck off. That's raunchy. You know, I don't know. No more storing shit in the fridge like that.
Huh?
No more storing the fridge. No more storing food in the fridge like that. You know damn well fucking chuck it. This week, you can go in here and take everything out and clean the shelves now.
Okay.
I got rid of that shit.
Okay.
Serious. You gotta puke.
Well, take some stuff out of the sink. Put that right in the sink and put water in it. Honestly.
Make me bring it up. I can't do it. Fuck it. I'm putting a lid on it.